We run our dishwashers, what, 2-3 times a week, depending on how busy we get in the kitchen, and how often do we take the time to stop and clean the dishwasher. Today I want to show you this product that I found for cleaning and deodorizing the dishwasher. It cleans it, it descales it, it freshens, and so hopefully this will be a nice, maybe once a month, maybe every couple of months type of activity for me, just to make sure that everything in there is getting as clean as I want it to get my dishes clean. Okay, so we have 24 tablets in here. Comes in these little pouches like this. You simply just take one out and place it in your soap dispenser here and shut the door on that. Make sure it's closed, and then you simply set for a cycle on your machine and turn it on. Okay, here we are. Ran it through the cycle. Looks really, really good. It's still a little damp in here. Very nice and clean. That's it. Thanks for watching.